Good day guys, and welcome to today's video. Right, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to add the DeFi Tiger token to your Coinmarketcap watch list. Right, so the watch list is a very special section where you add your favorite tokens so that you'll be able to track them easily. Right, so you can get Coinmarketcap on the Apple Store, and you can also get it on the Google Play Store. You can create your account, and once you are done doing that, you can go right ahead and open it up. Head over to the search section, and then you search for DeFi Tiger token, right? But since it's already my recent searches, I'll just tap here, and then to add it to my watch list, currently around 3,700. To add it to my watch list, I'll just tap this star, and boom, it's automatically added to my watch list. And if I want to view it, I'll just head over to my watch list, and boom, DeFi Tiger has been added to my watch list. Alright, so I hope you guys have fun trying this out. I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to like and subscribe.